Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get Nebluff and Prodigy. There are two methods. The first one that I'm going to be showing you is not very efficient, but the second one is. Okay, so the first method is to go to the bounty board, and there is a really small chance that you could get a Nebluff to. Yeah, as you can see, I have one, but for some reason I can't find it. I've looked in Screwball Shack and it's not there. My theory on this is that since I have 100 bounties, I actually have 200, I'm pretty sure I can't get any more bounties. This should be Screwball Shack. I have checked everywhere and it's not here, so yeah. So the second method is a lot more efficient, and that is if you just go around the world, you can just find a Nebluff, because now with the new spawning update, there is a small chance that a pet will spawn as a Nebluff. So you can find it over here. There is a Gloricius, which is, I guess, would be pretty rare, but if you reload the page a bunch, there should be one spawning around here. I will try and find one. Okay, so there we go. We have finally found a Nebluff. It took about 10 tries. I'm not going to capture it because I already have a Nebluff of my own. And I accidentally pressed the reload page, so good for me. But yeah, I do have one. That's going to end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe.